Hello, and welcome to Tech to Tech presented by KYZEN, where we will explore common cleaning questions and answers. Let's get started. I would like to introduce KYZEN's own TC Loy.
Thank you, William. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining today's Tech to Tech session. Today, I will talk about a case study related to our industrial cleaning products. The parts that are being cleaned are aluminum, and we'll be using our products METALNOX M6093 and METALNOX M6310. Here's the background on this case. An aluminum contract manufacturer contacted us. They found that some of their aluminum casting parts have dark spots after stored in their warehouse for some time. We believe these dark spots are oxidation. The customer rejected these parts and they would have to rework those parts. During the manufacturing process, the customer was cleaning oil and coolant from the aluminum parts in a multi-tank cleaning machine. They were using a competitor cleaning product at 6% concentration and at a temperature of 55 C. The parts are cleaned 5 minutes with ultrasonics. Then they are rinsed in 3 separate air sparging city water tanks, spending 5 minutes in each rinse tank. An air sparging tank is something just like a jacuzzi. Lastly, the parts are dried with hot air at 80 C. As for the oxidized parts, they were reworked by sandblasting, which is very time and labor intensive. These are how the oxidized parts looks like. On the part on the left, you can see lots of dark brown spots, while the one in the middle has a dark spot circled in red. As for the part on the right, the spots are found throughout the part. On the other hand, these are how the parts look like before cleaning. You can see oil and coolant at the locations circled in red. The challenge of this case is firstly developing a simple process to remove the oxidation. Besides that, the previous cleaning process needs to be modified. It has to clean the oil and coolants and also prevent oxidation from happening in the future. To overcome these challenges, KYZEN has suggested 2 separate solutions. METALNOX M6093 is suggested to be used for oxidation cleaning, while METALNOX M6310, a mild alkaline cleaner with aluminum protection, is suggested to replace the previous cleaning agent. For the oxidation cleaning process, the customer purchased a small ultrasonic tank. It is filled with METALNOX M6093 at 10% concentration and heated to a temperature of 55 C. The parts are cleaned for 10 minutes with ultrasonic, and then they are rinsed with a shower at a sink with city water for 10 seconds. The parts are then dried using forced air. As for the oil and coolant cleaning process, the wash bath is being replaced with METALNOX M6310 at 10% concentration and heated to a temperature of 55 C. The parts are cleaned at a similar time of 5 minutes with ultrasonics. However, for rinse, the parts only spend 1 minute in each sparging city water tank instead of 5 minutes. This is to ensure the protection layer left by METALNOX M6310 is still intact. Lastly, the parts are still dried with hot air at 80°C. Here are the results. These are pictures of a part before and after oxidation cleaning with METALNOX 6093. You can see that the brown oxidation of the part has been removed after the cleaning. This is the top side of the similar part. Well, this part also shows the effectiveness of METALNOX M6093. And this is the top side of that part. This is a part that has a dark oxidation spot circled in red before cleaning. After cleaning, the spot has been removed and the whole part looks shinier. Here's the back side of that part. You can observe the same effects too. As for this part, all the oxidation has been removed and it is now nice and shiny. Here are the results for the process cleaned with METALNOX M6310 to clean oil and coolant. You can see the oil and coolant circled in red has been cleaned off. Wow, this other part also shows the effectiveness of METALNOX M6310 cleaning oil and coolant. After seeing the results, to conclude, the customer was able to salvage most of the parts with oxidation using a simple METALNOX M6093 process. By replacing the cleaning agent with METALNOX M6310, the customer was able to clean the parts from oil and coolant. In addition, the oxidation occurrence reduced more than 85%. It is important to note that the rinsing time was reduced to retain the METALNOX M6310 protection layer. Let's go through some frequently asked questions on this topic. METALNOX M6093 is acidic. Is it compatible with aluminum? METALNOX M6093 is a mild acid. It is compatible with aluminum. It will not corrode aluminum even after soaking for hours. On the other hand, aluminum is not compatible with strong alkaline. Choosing a compatible alkaline cleaning chemical is crucial for aluminum parts. What is the recommended time to rinse METALNOX M6310 before it loses the protection layer? We suggest to limit the total rinsing time to be less than 5 minutes. That's all I have today. Back to you, William.
Thank you, Loy, and thank you guys for tuning into this Tech to Tech session. If you'd like to discuss this topic further or have any questions not answered in the session, please contact your local KYZEN regional manager or send an email to tech@kyzen.com, and we will have someone follow up with you as soon as possible. To download the case study this session was based on, click the link in the description. Do you want to have exclusive access to future content sent directly to your inbox, or do you know someone who would benefit from these sessions? If the answer is yes, just go to tech2tech.kyzen.com and fill out the subscription form. And if you like this video, be sure to follow us on our social media platforms for more expert cleaning content.